Hey everybody, Bradley here with Ink Stores, and today we're going to be talking about how to install vinyl sheet flooring. So for all you DIYers out there, roll up your sleeves and let's learn how to roll out some vinyl flooring. We're covering the loose lay method today using a Mannington Revive 12-foot luxury vinyl sheet in the color of Miramar Fog. The loose lay method is by far the simplest way to install sheet vinyl, and it's incredibly easy to remove the floor when you're ready for a change. Plus, loose lay vinyl can be installed over many subfloors like particle board, chipboard, and lightweight concrete that aren't compatible with fully glued down vinyl. This method is only recommended for residential use. If you plan on a more permanent installation, just use adhesive. There are some subfloor requirements you need to keep in mind before starting your project. First, the surface should be stable and level, with no cracks, dips, or protrusions. All those imperfections will be visible through the vinyl sheet, and can even cause damage to the floor over time. You also need to remove any dirt, dust, or grease from the subfloor. The surface needs to be dry and clean to ensure a successful installation. Don't forget to prepare yourself with the right tools and materials for the project. Here's what you will need: a utility knife, ruler or straight edge, double-sided vinyl tape, which is optional. Now, without further ado, here's how to install sheet vinyl. Unroll the vinyl sheet into the room you're installing it in. Let it acclimate to the humidity and temperature for at least a full day. Make sure the sheet is properly squared to the room. To test if a sheet is positioned squarely, you can pull a string down the pattern line. If you're installing more than one sheet, align any seam to make sure that the pattern aligns correctly. Leave at least an 1/8 to a 1/4 inch gap between the sheet and any vertical surfaces. This way it lays flat without bunching or pinching. Use a ruler as a guide for straight edges. Use a sharp utility knife to cut around any obstructions. Again, leave an 1/8 to a 1/4 inch gap around the perimeter to ensure it lays flat. Trim away any excess material along the walls. For more added stability, you can always use double-sided vinyl tape around the edges, but this is not a requirement. To finish up, protect all of the exposed edges of the flooring with molding or transition strips. If possible, wait at least a day before moving in any furniture or appliances. Never install permanent fixtures, such as cabinets, because this could cause pinch points. Note, there can only be one major seam with the loose lay method. If you have a larger space that requires multiple seams, you will need to use a fully adhered installation method. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more DIY videos, or you can always check us out at our website at flooringink.com.